weight, cars with the lowest maintenance costs according to mechanics. When it comes to choosing a car, low maintenance costs are something we all look out for. Not only do they save us money, but they also mean fewer visits to the repair shop. Mechanics have extensive knowledge of which vehicles hold up best over time, so why not listen to them? Here's a look at some cars that are known for their reliability and wallet-friendly upkeep, according to mechanics. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla has an excellent reputation for being incredibly reliable. Known for its simplicity and robust engineering, this car often goes a long time without requiring major repairs. Its parts are easy to find and affordable, making maintenance straightforward for most owners. The Corolla's components are built to last, which is why mechanics consistently rank it as one of the most reliable cars on the road. Number 2. Honda Civic. Year after year, the Honda Civic remains a favorite among mechanics and drivers alike. Its durable design and efficient engine make it a popular choice for people looking for a long-term car. Routine maintenance, like oil changes and brake pad replacements, is simple and inexpensive. On top of that, it retains its resale value due to its reliability, making it a great investment for budget-conscious car buyers. Number 3. Ford Fusion. Praised for its performance and low repair costs, the Ford Fusion stands out as a reliable mid-size sedan. Mechanics appreciate its straightforward design, which makes common repairs like replacing spark plugs or belts more manageable. The Fusion's parts are readily available, ensuring affordable fixes even for older models with higher mileage. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking comfort and reliability without breaking the bank. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai Elantra owners enjoy peace of mind thanks to the car's low maintenance needs. With a focus on quality and efficiency, the Elantra rarely fails. Its excellent factory warranty also gives drivers extra confidence in their purchase, because even if something does go wrong, they won't have to pay for it themselves. Regular service costs, such as oil changes or tire rotations, are very affordable, making it an ideal car for long-term ownership. Number 5. Toyota Camry. For decades, the Toyota Camry has been known for its reliability and affordability, and mechanics often recommend it because of its well-engineered engine and transmission, which can go well over 200,000 miles with proper care. Replacement parts for the Camry are affordable and easy to find because Camrys are so popular. Its routine maintenance costs are also among the lowest in its class. Whether you use it for commuting or long-distance travel, the Camry won't disappoint you. Number 6. Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza is one of the best all-wheel drive vehicles when it comes to keeping maintenance costs low. It's built exceptionally well, so critical systems like the drivetrain and suspension remain reliable for years. For drivers seeking a dependable car with added traction for tough road conditions or rally-inspired driving, the Impreza is one of the best choices. Number 7. Kia Forte. With its impressive price and low running costs, the Kia Forte has earned a reputation as a smart pick for anyone looking for a reliable car. Routine maintenance like brake replacements or oil changes is affordable, and the Forte's warranty adds an extra layer of reassurance for its owners. Mechanics note that the reliability of these cars has improved significantly in recent years, with J.D. Power awarding it an impressive score of 89/100 for reliability. Number 8. Mazda 3. Mazda's focus on quality engineering is clearly evident in the Mazda 3, a car that mechanics often praise for its dependability. A strong and durable engine, combined with affordably priced parts, makes repairs much cheaper than many of its competitors if any issues arise. With its blend of engaging driving dynamics and practicality, the Mazda 3 delivers reliability without sacrificing enjoyment behind the wheel. Thanks for watching our video on the 8 cars with the lowest maintenance costs according to mechanics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car tips, reviews, and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which car on this list is your favorite, or if there's a reliable car you think deserves a shout out. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.